Hello, my name is Jennifer Laughlin and I am a kindergarten and first grade teacher at Star Elementary. Today I want to tell you about an early literacy skill that can help your children with reading. Learning to read comes way before even picking up a book. One of the first skills that your students or your kids need to master is being able to find syllables in words. And I have 3 strategies that I'll tell you about today to help you with your children at home. Also, if you have older children, I'm going to show you how you can use the same skill to help them spell multisyllabic words. So there are 3 strategies that we use in my classroom to help find syllables. The first strategy is to put your hand under your chin, and as we say words, we're going to feel how many times our chin drops, and that's how many syllables are in a word. So today we're going to work with the word fantastic. So if I put my hand here and I slowly say fantastic, fantastic. And you can see my chin drop 3 times, so that's 3 syllables. Another strategy that I like to use is to clap the syllables in words. Fantastic. And the third strategy that my students really like is to hum the word. So we close our mouth and just hum and count how many times we've hummed for that word. So 3 syllables. You can also use this to spell multisyllabic words. So if I wanted to spell fantastic, then I would count how many syllables first. Fantastic. I'm going to draw a line for each of my syllables. And then I can spell out each syllable. So the first syllable was fan. And the next syllable, fantas. Ass. And then tick. Fantastic. And so even children, these are all CVC words, so even children in kindergarten can spell fantastic if they break it down into syllables first. I hope this helps.